we are going to understand question number 4 of exercise 7.2. The question reads like this. ABC is a triangle. The given figure is a triangle in which altitudes BE and CF, two sides AC and AB. Here we can see two altitudes BE and CF. They are towards their sides, corresponding sides like AC and AB are equal. So here the question says that the altitudes BE and CF are equal, and we have to prove two things. They are, first of all, we will have to prove that triangle ABE and triangle ACF are congruent to each other. Secondly, we will have to prove AB, that means AB is equal to AC. We have to prove that these two sides AB and AC are equal. If those two sides are equal, of course, the triangle is an isosceles triangle. So let's see how we can prove it. First of all, let's look into the picture and try understand the given facts. When we look at the question, it says in which ABC is a triangle in which BE and CF, two sides AB and AC, BE and CF, altitudes BE and CF, two sides AC and AB are equal. The question says that altitudes BE and CF are equal. So we can write that CF is equal to, why are these altitudes equal? Because it is said in the question. Yep. So now let's try understand. Now this angle BEFC is a 90 degree. Similarly, angle CEB is also 90 degree. Since this altitude is forming a 90 degree this side, if this side has to be 90 degree, the other side of the altitude should also be 90 degree. If this side of the angle, this angle it has to be 90 degree, its other side angle must also be 90 degree. So we have tried to understand that angle AEB is equal to angle AFC. Why are they equal? Because 90 degree each. 90 degree each. So we have tried to understand. Now again, looking at the question, we understand. Let's consider this triangle and look at here. There are two triangles here. One triangle is AEB, another is AFC. But there is a common angle for these two triangles. The common angle here, angle A or BAC, angle BAC is the common to these two triangles. So let's write as angle BA, angle BAE is equal to angle CAF. Why are they equal? Because they are common. Say BAE, if we mark it here, you will understand. BAE, similarly, these two angles are forming a center here as a meeting point, therefore they are common. So angle BAE is equal to angle CAF. common angles. Now, looking at the picture, looking at the details we have fetched so far. Here, CF and BE. Let's look into these two triangles, AEB and AFC. When we compare these two triangles, CF and BE are two parts of this, or the corresponding parts of these two triangles. See, the corresponding part of these two triangles. Angle AEB is equal to angle AFC. Angle AEB and angle AFC are corresponding to each other. So, a pair of corresponding angles are equal. Again, angle BAE and angle BAE and angle CAF are also corresponding angles. So, we have found that two pairs of angles are equal to each other. A pair of a side of a triangle AEB is equal to the corresponding side of the triangle AFC. So here we see that side angle, or here we see that angle side, angle side congruence rule is satisfied here. Since angle side congruence rule is satisfied, we can say that triangle ABE, therefore triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF. So we have proved the first part of the question. Now we know, in order to prove the second portion, let's try understand a step further. This is about the first portion. Second portion, we have to now prove that side AB is equal to AC. How will we prove? Now, let's look into these two triangles. We have proved that triangle AEB and AFC are as congruent to each other. They are congruent. So we have proved that triangle AFC and AEB, or ABE and ACF are congruent. If they are congruent, their corresponding parts must be equal. That means this part must be equal to its corresponding part. This part must be equal to its corresponding part. This. If so, the other side must also be equal to its corresponding part. Now, since corresponding parts of corresponding congruent triangles are equal, we can say that BC is equal to BC. Why? It's a common side. Again, we can say that BE is equal to CF. It's already here, given here. B is equal to CF, given. If it is so, other sides, AB is also equal to AC. AB is also equal to AC. So we have proved that AB is equal to AC. Why AB is equal to AC? Because these two triangles are congruent triangles. Since they are congruent triangles, their corresponding parts are equal. So hence we have proved that side AB is equal to AC. That means this this side of the triangle is equal to this side. Since two sides of this triangle are equal, this triangle is nothing but an isosceles triangle. So that's what the question is demanding us to prove.